Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a web page into Weebly. This is incredibly useful when you want to integrate external content like forms, calendars, or interactive tools directly into your Weebly site without redirecting visitors away from your page. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your homepage. Now, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll see the website option. Click on it, and beneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that as well. You'll now see a list of your websites. Choose the specific website you want to edit and look over to the right side of the screen. You'll notice an edit button there. Click it to enter the editing interface for your chosen site. Before we move forward, there's an important prerequisite to note. You need to already have your embedded code for the web page you want to integrate. If you've got that code ready, we can continue with the embedding process. If not, make sure to obtain it first before proceeding. Once you're in the editor, look at the top menu and ensure you're on the Build tab. This is where all your design and content editing tools live. Now, shift your focus to the left side menu and search for the Embed Code element. If you don't immediately see it among the options, simply click on Show All Elements to reveal all available tools. After you've located the Embed Code element, it's just a matter of dragging and dropping. Click on it and drag it directly into the section of your website where you want the embedded content to appear. This flexibility allows you to position external content exactly where it makes the most sense for your layout. Once you've placed the element, click on it and then select Edit Custom HTML. This opens up a text box where you'll paste your code. Simply copy your embedded code for your web page and paste it right into this field. This code tells Weebly exactly what external content to display and how to render it within your site's framework. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a web page into your Weebly site, allowing you to enhance your site's functionality and keep visitors engaged with integrated content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.